If I'm lucky. This one's getting a bite right now. There, he's on. Hey, bullhead. Oh, sorry guys. Just on the old TikTok. Found a new fishing challenge. Everyone's kind of out there doing it on the TikTok. It's called the Stranger Fishing Challenge. Essentially what you do is you see if you can get like a random person who's walking by or who's talking to you to reel in your fish that you've got on. So it takes a little bit of luck, but I got a plan. I'm going to try and do this. I'm going to go down to the boardwalk. It's where a lot of people are walking and doing jogs and stuff. And most of the time people come and say hi or, hey, have you caught anything? So if somebody does that and I have a bite, I'm basically just going to set the hook and give it to the person and try and complete this challenge. Don't know if it's going to work, but hopefully with a little bit of luck it will. So, hey, my name Neil Deal. Let's have a go. A little bit of corn. Let's get the fish going. Get some senses and some smells out there. We'll see what is active tonight. Carp, catfish, bullhead, drums, eels. We'll see. Just about the same area. Minutes, 25 minutes, if I'm lucky.
How long have you been?
5 minutes.
Okay. How are they big or small?
Both, yeah. I seem to catch a lot more of the smaller ones, but I've caught some really nice big ones too.
Are you going to get something?
No, I never am. I always need like a little bit of luck. I'm watching the tips of the rods, and when something's playing with it, something's biting it, all of a sudden you'll see this go doo 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 doo. So then you know to start paying attention, and then once it starts going like that, you know you've got something and you start reeling it in. That might be a bite. This one's getting a bite right now. You see that? There, he's on. Here, take it. Now reel. This one. Here, hold with your right hand, and then reel with your left. Yeah, there you go. And now come over here. Yeah! Nice, bullhead. Got him. I got it. Nice, congrats. This is too cool. This is what's called a bullhead catfish. No problem, that was awesome. Congrats. You're gonna have to take it. Got him. Got him? Very good. Good Neil Deal. Chicken again. Oh, bigger one.
Okay, don't leave my
Hug it.
Get it.
All right, lean the pole over. Oh, very big. Flathead. No! No! He fell off.